Hi everyone, and welcome to Bob's Wood Stuff for a quick tip. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the right drill bit for the screw that you're using in wood. Here's how you do it. It's really easy. You just take the screw that you're trying to put in the wood, and you want to find a drill bit that is the same diameter as the shaft minus these threads here. So what I'll do is I'll take my drill bits and I'll put them in front of the screw so it obscures my view. And what I want to see is just some threads peeking out on the back and nothing else. This one is too large by a little bit, so I'm going to find a slightly smaller drill bit. Let's see if this one will work. That one looks pretty spot on. If you're not sure if it's the right size, you can switch the direction to see if the shaft of the screw covers up the shaft of the drill bit. And that's really all there is to it. You can pre-drill holes nicely like this, and you don't have to keep a gauge nearby to measure your screws and your drill bits. You just do it by eye, which is how I do it all the time. It's really fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.